In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a poll on WhatsApp so people can vote easily. Let's start with what a WhatsApp poll actually is. A poll lets you ask a question and give several answer options that people can tap on to vote. It's really handy for quick decisions, like choosing a meeting time, planning an event, or getting opinions in a group chat without everyone sending separate messages. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and go into the chat where you want to create the poll. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Polls work in both, but they're most useful in groups because you can see everyone's responses in one place. Once you're inside the chat, look for the attachment icon. On most phones, this looks like a small paperclip or plus sign near the message box where you normally type. Tap that attachment icon and you'll see a list of options like camera, gallery, and document. Among these options, there should be one labeled Poll. Go ahead and tap Poll. Now you'll see the poll creation screen. At the top, there's a field where you can type your question. Make this question clear and specific so people know exactly what they're voting on. For example, what time should we meet tomorrow? Or, which logo do you like best? Take a moment to phrase it in a way that avoids confusion. Below the question, you'll find spaces to add your answer options. Tap on the first option line and type your first possible answer. Then do the same for the second option, and keep going until you've added all the choices you want. You can usually add several options, so think about covering the most likely answers without making it overwhelming. Some versions of WhatsApp also let you allow multiple answers, meaning people can vote for more than one option. If you see this setting and it fits your situation, you can turn it on. Otherwise, leave it off so each person can pick only one answer. When you're happy with your question and options, double-check everything for spelling and clarity. Once it looks good, tap the Send button just like you would send a regular message. Your poll will appear in the chat, and everyone can start voting by simply tapping on their preferred option. As votes come in, you'll be able to see the results update in real time. This makes it easy to understand the group's preference and make a quick decision based on the majority.